Hey guys, Stephen Maxwell again with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Stryker 2816. Let's go take a look. Starting out on the front tongue, we are going to have the electric tongue jack that is going to make it so much easier for you to get up off the ball of your truck or get back down on it to get back on the road. It is going to have your LED light that is going to make it easier hooking up in low light situations. You do have two large propane tanks that are going to give you plenty of propane for your camping trip. Moving along the side, you are going to see we have a semi pass-through storage. That is because on the opposite side of this camper, we do have generator prep. So if you decide that you want a generator installed on this camper, you're more than welcome to do so. Moving along to the door side, we do have our Solaire electric awning that is going to have the auto dump feature for rain. Moving to the door, we are going to have the 3-fold entry steps for this Stryker. Going to be really easy to fold up, get out of the way whenever you're ready to hit the road. Moving back a little bit further, you see we do have our power-based waterproof speakers up high on the side of this camper. Those are going to be upgraded speakers from most speakers you see on RVs nowadays. Towards the back of the Stryker, you are going to see an access panel for our fuel management system. So that is going to give you extra fuel for any of your toys you're going to bring with you along on the trip. On the back of this Stryker, you don't only have a ramp door for loading your toys in, you do have a patio setup. So this gives you plenty of space outside for any kind of activities you want to utilize for the family. You do also have 2 screen doors that can come down and enclose the inside of your camper. Save a little bit of that AC from all this Texas heat. Moving along to the off-door side of this camper, we do have a fold-out ladder that is going to be pinned in place going down the road. Keep it tied up against the camper, not going to have to worry about it catching on brush or anything along the side of the highway. Your inlet for your fuel management system is going to be on this side, so you can fuel it up at the gas station, easy to go. All right guys, we've seen the outside of the Stryker 2816. Let's go ahead and take a step inside. All right guys, so stepping into this Stryker, you see we do have 2 couches that are going to fold into a full queen bunk right here if you need them. You also have a full queen bunk right above my head that does have an elevation hoist on it that you can bring it down to about eye level. Throughout this whole unit, you are going to see we have tie downs. There is a carpet that will come with the Stryker that can cover them up while you're using it for residential use. Strykers are also going to come with 2 reclining chairs, 1 dining table, and another reclining couch right over here. The couch in the slide here is going to be a jackknife sofa that can turn into a sleeping area if it is needed. In the kitchen of the Stryker, you are going to have a Dometic fridge that does use propane or electricity. Depending on which one you're going to use, it gives you plenty of options. Moving back here, you do have a 3-burner Furrion stove that's going to give you plenty of space as a cooktop with the Furrion oven down underneath. You do have plenty of counter space back here with a single compartment sink that is going to be stainless steel to give you plenty of space for cleaning as many dishes as you need or prepping whatever meals you're prepping. The Stryker does come with a full power-based radio system that does have a touchscreen infotainment area right here on the side. You also have a TV that is going to be just above the sink in the kitchen. The Stryker is going to come with a nice full-size bathroom that does have a very tall shower, even for someone like me that's 6'2". And you have an entrance to the bedroom and the hallway leading to the main area. The bedroom in the Stryker is going to offer a large king-size bed. And if you need a little bit more space on either side of the bed, this bed does adjust to one side or the other. You do also have a control up here for your generator when you decide to get it installed here in the bedroom. Really easy to turn it on and off throughout the night. All right guys, again, my name is Stephen Maxwell. This has been the 2020 Stryker 2816. If y'all want to see any other RVs, feel free to comment below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget the fun starts here.